Hi guys, welcome to the Next Helmets YouTube channel. My name is João and I'm here to explain to you how to install the X-COM3 for the Y.Travl. Start by removing the X-COM cover. Then, place the Intercom module. Make sure it is clicked in. Then proceed to remove the rear cover. Place the battery and place the cover again. Make sure it is clicked on both sides. Use the cable management system to organize the wires. Then you can proceed to place the speaker. Use the helmet side hooks to hold the wires and place the antenna. Once you've done this, place the other speaker on its cavity. Place the Velcro sticker first and the microphone after. And then you can place the second antenna in case you are installing the X-COM3. Make sure everything is well placed and organized, and the wires are fixed in the cable management hooks. And this is how you install the X-COM3. Thanks for watching this video. We have many more videos like this in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check them out. Have a nice ride.